Hello everybody, welcome to our new video. Today we're going to learn how to install printers on Kali Linux. Kali, sometimes when you put it in, it can give you what they call automated drivers, but now that works much in Linux Ubuntu. But now in Kali, sometimes we find out when you connect a printer, it doesn't have any driver, so we need to install caps on the printer to see that we start printing. It doesn't matter which printer you have, even if it's a very old printer, it's gonna work. So that's what I promise you. What happens now, I did put in my printer, like connected my printer is Olivet, you know those old printers, maybe they are under Kyocera, I don't know, but the printer is very old. It's black and white, and today we're going to see how we're going to use it. So if you go to your settings, try to go to settings and see if you can see something. I'm gonna go to settings and I show you. When you go to settings, you can see, if you scroll down and click on printers, you see there's no printers. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to our Kali Linux terminal, and we say sudo. We already sudo, but what we're going to say, apt-get update. We want to update our Kali first. After updating, then we're gonna install caps. Still updating, is gonna take some few minutes. Don't worry guys, and you should be patient. Installing updates. So whenever you want to install a new software on your Linux or Linux, first update your Linux. So updating, don't worry. Yeah, it's done. You can see we're done. So if you have a HP, Canon, Kyocera, all those, they work. So, and other whatever. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna install the required packages and their dependencies using apt-get. You understand, you have to type in apt-get, then we install what we want to install. So I'm gonna copy the command and I'll paste it in here. I guess you can see well. I made the screen to be a little bit big so that you can see the letters. After that, you can say, then if I ask you, say yes, put in Y, then you install, then we see what's gonna go on. You saw in our command we involved a word called formatting that helps in integrating free software printer drivers with common spoilers under the Unix. So that's why you saw that we did put it. It supports caps, LPR, NG, LD, GNU, LPR. So all of those Solaris, LP, PPR, PDQ, CPS, and direct printing. You see, so it's very, very important. That's why we had to put it in there. So you can maybe Google and read much about it. So yeah, let's wait and see what's gonna go on. After that, what we're gonna do, we're gonna add user to LP admin group. So which user we're gonna add? The root user, who is root to root is gonna be maybe you on your computer where you're installing this. You get me? Root or any other user. So I think you can add root first. Because LPN admin admin group, it does own what? It owns printing preferences. So we have to add a user to LP admin. So that's after this command, we're gonna run a command, say add user root LP admin. So wait, if your computer is done, wait for us. We see how we do that. Now this takes longer because maybe my internet is a little bit slow, but it won't take that much longer. But once it's done, you're gonna be happy, I promise you. I will also do my best to put these commands in the comment box below, and also a link where you might go and do what? Copy them and paste directly into your website, into your what? Into your terminal. Yeah, we're done with that. So now what's gonna happen is we're going to add a user, as we said. You know that command called add user. uh, uh, Type in add user if you can. Then you're gonna put LPL. I'm trying to do something simple for us here. Don't want to waste a lot of time for us. You can type in like add, which is add user, then space, put root if your name is root. But if your name is not root, then don't put root, put maybe Alex or whatever name. That's what you put in the space of root. But if you root, then leave it root. Then you say, I mean your name on the computer, the username of the computer, user. Okay, then LP admin. So you're trying to add that user to LP admin. So after that, you're gonna enter. You say adding user to group admin, adding user to group admin. So if you see this message, then you just know that everything is fine there. So yeah, that will be fine. So what is the another step is to start the to restart the caps, and we're gonna restart it by just service caps restart. So we restart that. After it's gonna show you, so service Samba restart. You know, we're gonna restart Samba also. You know Samba, use Samba. We're gonna restart Samba. Unit Samba not found. So we don't have Samba. So let's see if we can work without Samba. But if we can, also we can install Samba. You get me? It can be also something great for us. You can say apt-get install Samba. See, yeah, with installing Samba, it's better we install it also once. Everything's gonna be fine for us once we use Samba. Samba is also very good, good. So you must have Samba. Once Samba is done, we'll be like almost done. patient, we're gonna be done soon. Yeah, now we're done with Samba, so we can restart Samba, and also we do what? We can restart caps. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna recall that command. You know how to recall the command. If you recall the command, then we can proceed with our stuff. How to install, you see, we can restart. Remember the command we did do that, we did do before. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna restart, not that, yeah, service restart Samba. We restart Samba. Why is it saying like this? Okay, see, something is not going right here. Failed to restart Samba. Okay, okay, unit Samba not found. Before we got another message, let's see what's gonna happen. Let's close our terminal and we try something. Okay, gonna get you there. I think we're gonna restart caps, then we see what's gonna go on. Just go to your terminal again, because we did install Samba, you saw. Let's see, start caps. Okay, so now let's go to our settings. We see what's going on. Gonna go to settings and see settings. Yes, you see now everything worked. You can see now they give us an option to add a printer. Before we didn't have that option. Make sure your printer is on and click add printer. You're gonna see what kind of a printer I'm using. It should come. Still searching for the printer. It's gonna come soon. Yes, you can see I'm using a D/dash copier 283 MF Olivet. So that printer is crazily old, but you see Kali Linux can manage to get those drivers. So we added that printer. Let's see what's gonna happen. Let's give it some time. It should work. Let's see if the printer is on. Printer must be on. Okay. Shows us a blank screen, but let me go back to the settings. try to add it. It didn't come. Let me see. Caps printer, let me see, add that. Sometimes it might require you to, okay, generic printer ready to print. So sometimes it might require you to restart the entire system. That's why you can see that users default printer, print options, whatever, you can set stuff like that. But your printer, whatever printer you're gonna want to add, it's gonna come there. You get me? So it should come there, the printer I want to change, so you want to use or to to add. Once you add, it's gonna show up here like that. So I want to try to to see if I can print out some stuff. It says no action jobs, but guys, that's the way you add on a printer on Kali Linux. Yeah, and you can also do some things like let's see, I want to check out something for you here. You might be struggling here. After restarting caps, you can also do something else, like you can try to do this. Put in that. You see, this is to find what? To find the USB printers. You can see this, what you see here. Okay. I think that's what we could do for now, but I'm gonna also print something here. I want to print something here. Yeah, and if you find any problem, any challenge, any of those things, what you have to do, your printer, like you saw this printer when you try to add it here, it shows up and go. You're gonna see what I'm trying to say. It says now, it says no printer found, but what you do, this is the printer I'm talking about. So once you add it there and doesn't come, and you saw we did everything fine, it can sometimes say adding a new printer failed. It can show you that small message. So what you do, you switch off your computer and switch on back. Don't restart, switch on off the computer completely. Then when you switch on back, it's gonna show those printers you want here. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Also, don't forget to switch off your computer and switch it on. We've done everything in the right way. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.